let's do exercise 1e. So we will be simplifying surds. So 1a, 1a. So square root of 28 is simply square root of 4 times square root of 7, which is just 2 root 7. 1b, square root of 72 is square root of 36 times square root of 2, which is 6 root 2. 1c, square root of 50 is root 25 times root 2, which is 5 root 2. And 1d, root 32 is root 16 times root 2, which is 4 root 2. 1e, have root 90, so that is root 16 times root 5. No, sorry. Root 9 times root 10, which is 3 root 10. 1f, we have root 12 divided by 2, so that is root 4 root 3 divided by 2, so that's 2 root 3 divided by 2, which is simply root 3. D, have root 27 divided by root 3, so that is root 9 times root 3 divided by, oops, that was just 3 by 3, so that's 3 root 3 divided by 3, which is again simply root 3. 1h, 1h, we have root 20 plus root 80. So what we could do is say that it is root 4 times root 5 plus root 16 root 5, so that's 2 root 5 plus 4 root 5, so that is 6 root 5. 1i, we have square root of 200 plus square root of 18 minus square root of 72, so that equals square root of 100 square root of 2 plus square root of 9 square root of 2 minus square root of 36 square root of 2, so that's 10 root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 6 root 2, which is 7 root 2. J, 1j, we have root 175 plus root 63 plus 2 root 28, so that equals to 175. It's definitely 25 times 7, so that's root 25 root 7 plus root 9 root 7 plus 2 root 4 root 7, so that is 5 root 7 plus 3 root 7 plus 2 times 2 is 4 root 7, so the answer is 12 root 7. 1k. Square root of 28 minus 2 root 63 plus root 7, so that equals to root 4 root 7 minus 2 root 9 root 7 plus root 7, which is 2 root 7 minus 6 root 7 plus root 7, so that is negative 3 root 7. 1j square root of 80 minus 2 square root of 20 plus 3 square root of 45, so that is square root of 16 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 4 square root of 5 plus 3 square root 9 square root of 5, which is 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 9 root 5, which is just 9 root 5. 1L is it? I just did 1M, sorry, I just made a mistake, so 1M 3 root 80 minus 2 root 20 plus 5 root 45, so that equals 3 root 16 root 5 minus 2 root 4 root 5 plus 5 root 9 root 5, so that is 3 times 4, which is 12 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 15 root 5, which is 23 root 5. 1n have square root of 44 divided by square root of 11, so that is root 4 root 11 divided by root 11. Well, that's simply root 4 or 2. And 1 oh root 12 plus 3 root 48 plus root 75, so that is root 4 root 3 plus 3 root 16 root 3 plus root 25 root 3, so that's 2 root 3 plus 3 times 4, which is 12 root 3 plus 5 root 3, which is 19 root 3. So that's question 1. Question 2, expand and simplify. So let's start. 2a root 3 times 2 plus root 3. So that's 2 root 3 plus root 3 squared, which is simply 2 root 3 plus 3. 2b root 5, 3 minus root 3. Well, let's expand, so that's 3 root 5 minus root 15. Okay, well, that is the easiest way I can write it. 2c root 2 times 4 minus root 5. Again, this will be 4 root 2 minus root 10. 2d. Okay, we have a 2 minus root 2 times 3 plus root 5. So that is 6 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 minus root 10. to e. We have 2 minus root 3 times 3 minus root 7, so that is 6 minus 2 root 7 minus 3 root 3 minus root 21 to f. 4 plus root 5 times 2 plus root 5. That is, well, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 4 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus root 25. You can simplify this further. The root 25 is just 5, so then I have 8 plus this goes together, 6 root 5 plus 5, so the answer is 13 plus 6 root 5. Okay. 2g, 5 minus root 3 times 1 minus root 3, so that's 5 minus 5 root 3 minus root 3 plus 9, sorry, plus square root of 9, that's a common misconception, common mistake. So that's 5 minus 6 root 3 plus 3, which is 8 minus 6 root 3. 2h, we have 4 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3. So 4 times 2 is 8 minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus square root of 9. So that's 8 minus 2 root 3 minus 3. So that is 5 minus 2 root 3. And finally, to I have 7 minus root 11 times 2 plus root 11. So that is 14 plus 7 root 11 minus 2 root 11 minus square root of 1 to 1. So that is 14 plus 5 root 11 minus 11. So the answer is 3 plus 5 root 11. That's question 2. And question 3, simplify root 75 minus root 12, giving answers in the form a root 3. So root 75 minus root 12 is equal to root 25 root 3 minus root 4 root 3. That is 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3, which equals 3 root 3. Thus, a is 3. Thank you.